Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Slow English channel.
We are so excited to have you here with us today.
Today's episode is special because we are going to simulate real-life conversations. If you are at an A1 or A2 level, or just want to polish your American accent, this is exactly for you.
That's right. We aren't just going to read words. We are going to act out situations you will face every day. From ordering coffee to making plans for the weekend, you'll learn vocabulary, pronunciation, and natural flow.
So before we jump in, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right now. Join our community so you never miss a lesson.
Ready to get started?
I'm ready. Let's dive into our first scenario. Scenario 1, at the coffee shop.
Okay, listeners, this is the most common situation. You are in a rush, you need caffeine, and you walk into a coffee shop.
In this dialogue, I will be the barista, the person making the coffee, and B will be the customer. Listen carefully to how we order. Sound effect: coffee shop ambience, espresso machine noise.
Hi there, welcome in. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium vanilla latte, please.
Sure thing, hot or iced?
Iced, please. And can I get that with oat milk instead of regular milk?
Absolutely, oat milk. Anything to eat?
Yes, do you have any blueberry muffins left?
Let me check. Yes, we have one left. Would you like me to warm that up for you?
Yes, please. That sounds great.
Okay, that'll be $7.50.
Here you go. Pause. Oh, can I actually get an extra shot of espresso in that?
No problem, I can add that. It'll be an extra 80 cents.
Perfect. Thank you.
We'll have that right out for you at the end of the counter. Sound effect, shop ambiance fades out. Analysis, the coffee shop.
Okay, let's pause there. That was a very standard interaction. A, what did you notice about the phrasing?
Well, you used a very polite phrase. I'd like. Beginners often say, I want a coffee. While that is correct, saying I'd like or can I get is much more natural and polite in the US.
Exactly. Also, notice the flow of questions. You asked hot or iced, and anything to eat? These are quick questions you will hear every time.
Right. And you also made a request for a modification. You said, instead of. This is key. Oat milk instead of regular milk. It's a great phrase for beginners to learn when they want to swap something.
One last thing on this topic, the payment. You said, that'll be $7. In fast English, we often link those words. It sounds like that'll be.
Good catch. Okay, are we ready for a slightly more social situation?
Let's do it. Scenario 2, meeting a new neighbor.
In this next scene, imagine we are in an apartment building elevator or hallway. I just moved in, and B is my neighbor.
This is a classic small talk scenario. I will be the neighbor, and A is the new resident. Sound effect: elevator ding, doors opening.
Hi, I haven't seen you around here before. Did you just move in?
Hi. Yes, I actually just moved in last Saturday. I'm on the 4th floor.
Oh, nice. Welcome to the building. I'm from the 3rd floor.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you liking the neighborhood so far?
It's great. It's much quieter than where I used to live, but I'm still trying to find a good grocery store nearby.
Oh, there is a Market Fresh just 2 blocks down the street. They have really fresh produce.
That is good to know. I'll have to check it out. Thank you.
No problem. If you need help with anything else, just let me know.
I appreciate that. Have a good day.
You too. See you around. Sound effect, elevator doors closing. Analysis, meeting the neighbor.
That was short and sweet. But there was a really important grammar point there regarding time.
Yes, you said, I moved in last Saturday. This is the past simple tense, but then I asked, how are you liking the neighborhood?
Right. How are you liking it? Is a very casual American way to ask for an opinion about a current experience. You could also say, do you like the neighborhood? But how are you liking it sounds friendlier.
Also, look at how we ended the conversation. It can be awkward to stop talking.
True, you used a great exit phrase. See you around.
Yes. See you around means, I will see you again soon, but casually. It's perfect for neighbors or coworkers.
And I used, I appreciate that. This is a level up from just saying, thank you. It shows you are really grateful for the advice about the grocery store. Scenario 3, asking for directions, on the street.
Okay, let's move to a situation that happens when we travel. Getting lost.
It happens to the best of us. In this scene, B is lost in the city, and I am a local walking by.
I'll be the tourist, A is the local. Sound effect, city street noise, light traffic.
Excuse me? Sorry to bother you.
No problem. What's up?
I'm trying to find the city library. Google Maps says it's around here, but I can't see it.
Oh, the main library? You're actually a little bit far. You are walking in the wrong direction.
Oh no. Really?
Yeah. You need to turn around and go back 3 blocks. When you see the big post office, turn left.
Go back 3 blocks, then turn left at the post office?
Exactly. Then keep going straight for about 5 minutes. It'll be on your right side. You can't miss it. It's a huge stone building.
Got it. Turn left at the post office on the right side. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Sound effect, street noise fades. Analysis, directions.
A, you used a phrase there that I love. You can't miss it.
Yes, we use that all the time. It basically means the building is so big or obvious that it is impossible not to see it. It gives the listener confidence.
Also, notice how I confirmed the instructions. You gave me a lot of details. 3 blocks, turn left, go straight.
And you repeated it back to me. Go back 3 blocks, then turn left.
This is a crucial tip for English learners. If you aren't sure, repeat the information back as a question. It ensures you understood correctly.
Another good vocabulary word here was blocks. In the US, we measure walking distance in blocks, the section of street between 2 intersections, not usually in meters.
Great point. If you tell someone, walk 200 meters, an American might be confused. Just say 2 blocks. Transition music, short, energetic transition.
We have so many more scenarios to cover, including shopping for clothes and a job interview practice.
That's right. Should we take a short breath and move to the next part?
Let's do it.
Welcome back. We are moving straight into part 2. Now, let's talk about something everyone loves, shopping.
Specifically, buying clothes. This can be scary in a second language because you have to talk about sizes, colors, and fit.
Exactly. In this scenario, I will be the sales associate, store employee, and B is the shopper. Scenario 4. Shopping for clothes. Sound effect, clothing store music, hangers moving on a rack.
Hi there, are you finding everything okay?
Hi, I'm just looking right now, thanks.
No problem. Let me know if you need help with sizes.
Actually, excuse me, do you have this sweater in a medium?
Let me check the rack. Pause. Yes, here is a medium. We also have it in blue.
Oh, the blue is nice? Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there, in the back corner. Sound effect, curtains sliding open and closed.
After a moment. How is the fit?
It's a little bit tight around the shoulders. Do you have a large?
I think we are sold out of the large in blue, but I have the gray one in large.
Okay, let me try the gray one. Pause. Yeah, this fits much better. I'll take it.
Great choice. You can head to the register at the front. Sound effect, store sounds fade. Analysis, shopping.
That is a very useful conversation. A, you started with a phrase salespeople always use. Are you finding everything okay?
Yes. If you just want to browse and don't need help, the correct answer is what B said. I'm just looking. This tells the salesperson to leave you alone politely.
Then I asked, can I try this on? Notice the preposition. We say try on, not just try. Try on means to put clothing on your body to check the size.
Right. And when it didn't fit, you said it was too tight. If it was big, you would say too loose.
Finally, the decision phrase. When you want to buy the item, say, I'll take it. Don't say, I will buy this. Say, I'll take it. It sounds much more native. Scenario 5, making weekend plans.
Okay, let's switch gears. You want to hang out with a friend. How do you make a plan?
We use a lot of future tense here. In this scene, we are 2 friends talking on the phone. Sound effect, phone ringing tone, pick up sound.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, just finished work. What are you doing this weekend?
I don't have any plans yet. I was thinking of going to the movies on Saturday.
Oh, that sounds fun. What movie are you going to see?
I want to see the new action movie. Do you want to come?
I'd love to. What time does it start?
There is a show at 7 o'clock p.m. We could grab dinner before.
Sounds good. Let's meet at the pizza place at 5:30.
Perfect. See you then.
Bye. Sound effect, call disconnected. Analysis, making plans.
This was a friendly, casual conversation. The key question was, what are you doing this weekend?
Notice we use the present continuous tense, what are you doing, to talk about the future. This is very common in English for scheduled plans.
And when I wasn't sure, I said, I was thinking of, this means I have an idea, but it's not 100% decided yet.
Then there was the invitation. You said, "Do you want to come?" In fast American English, this often sounds like, "Do you want to come?" or even "want to come?"
Exactly. And finally, the phrase grab dinner. We don't literally grab the food with our hands. It just means to get food casually and quickly. Scenario 6, basic job interview.
This next scenario is serious. Many of our listeners are learning English for their careers.
A job interview can be stressful. We will do a simple version. I will be the interviewer, and B will be the candidate. Sound effect, office background noise, slight echo.
Good morning. Please take a seat.
Good morning, thank you.
So, I have your resume here. Tell me a little about yourself.
Well, my name is Name. I have 3 years of experience in customer service. I am hardworking, and I really enjoy working with people.
That's great. Why do you want to work for this company?
I've used your products for a long time, and I admire your company culture. I think I would fit in well with the team.
Okay. And what is your greatest strength?
I am very organized. I always make sure to finish my tasks on time.
Excellent. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, what are the next steps in the interview process?
We will be calling candidates next week.
Great, thank you for your time. Sound effect, office noise fades. Analysis, the job interview.
Wow, B, you're hired.
Haha, thank you. Let's look at the language. You asked the hardest question first. Tell me about yourself.
This is a trick. I don't want to know your childhood story. I want to know your professional history. You answered perfectly. I have years of experience in...
Right. Keep it professional. Then you asked about my strengths. I used adjectives like organized and hardworking.
Listeners, you should memorize 3 or 4 adjectives that describe your work style.
And the final tip, always ask a question at the end. I asked, what are the next steps? This shows I am interested and professional. Transition music, upbeat and motivating.
We have covered social life, shopping, and work. But what about when things go wrong? Like at a restaurant or a hotel?
Oh, solving problems is a huge part of learning English. We will cover complaining politely and booking a hotel in the next part.
Stay tuned.
Welcome to the final part of today's session. We are going to cover 2 very important situations, traveling and solving problems.
These are advanced beginner skills. When you travel, you need to be precise. And when you have a problem, you need to be polite but firm.
Let's start with a hotel check-in. In this scene, I will be the receptionist and B is the guest. Scenario 7, checking into a hotel. Sound effect, hotel lobby ambiance, typing on a keyboard.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation for today. It should be under the name Smith.
Okay, let me check. Typing sound. Yes, I found it. A double room for 3 nights?
That's correct.
Great. Can I please see your ID and a credit card for the deposit?
Sure, here's my passport and my card.
Thank you. Pause. Everything looks good. Here is your room key. You are in room 405. It's on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Just one question. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. In the restaurant downstairs. It is complimentary for guests.
Perfect. And what is the Wi-Fi password?
It is written on this card inside your key packet.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Sound effect, lobby sounds fade. Analysis, hotel check-in.
Okay, that was smooth. B, you used the magic phrase, I have a reservation under the name.
Yes. Under the name is the standard way to tell them whose name is on the booking.
Then I asked for a deposit. This is important. Hotels usually hold some money on your card in case you break something or order room service. It's not a charge, it's just a hold.
And I asked about breakfast. You used the word complimentary.
Yes. Complimentary is a fancy word for free. If a hotel says breakfast is complimentary, you don't have to pay for it.
That is a very good word to know. Scenario 8, solving a problem, restaurant.
Now let's go to our final scenario. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The waiter brings you the wrong food.
Many students are afraid to speak up. But if you are polite, it is easy. I will be the customer and A is the waiter. Sound effect, restaurant noise, plates clinking.
Raising hand slightly. Excuse me,
Yes, is everything okay?
Actually, I think there is a mistake. I ordered the chicken salad, but this looks like the steak.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me check the order ticket.
No problem. I just wanted to let you know before I started eating.
You are absolutely right. I made a mistake. I will take this back to the kitchen and bring out your salad right away.
Thank you.
Returning after a moment. Here is your chicken salad. Again, I apologize for the wait. Can I get you a free dessert later on the house?
That would be lovely. Thank you very much. Sound effect. Restaurant sounds fade. Analysis. Complaining politely.
This conversation saves you from eating food you didn't want. The key phrase here was, I think there is a mistake.
Yes, you didn't say you are wrong or this is bad. You said, I think there is a mistake. It is soft and polite. It helps the waiter not feel attacked.
And notice how the waiter fixed it. A, you used the phrase on the house.
This is a classic American idiom. On the house means the restaurant will pay for it. It is free for you because we made a mistake.
So, if you hear on the house, say yes. Conclusion and final review. Music-inspiring, uplifting music fades in.
Well, we have covered a lot today. We went from ordering coffee to meeting neighbors, shopping, job interviews, traveling, and even solving problems.
If you listen to this whole episode, you have practiced over 50 essential English phrases.
Here is our advice for you. Don't just listen once. Listen to this video again. Pause after every line we say and try to repeat it exactly like us.
Shadowing or repeating after us is the best way to improve your accent and confidence.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope you feel more ready for real-life conversations.
If this was helpful, please give us a like and share this with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Slow English for more lessons like this.
Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.